package includes 1% rear high-mount third brake light, compatible with Silverado 1500-2500 HD, 3500 HD and Sierra 1500-2500 HD, 3500 HD 2007, 2008, 2009, 2010, 2011, 2012 2013 LED third brake light tail light lamp and also replacement for Silverado 2500 HD 3500 HD 2014 and Sierra 2500 HD 3500 HD 2014 rear center mount stop light. Replacement part numbers 25890-530, 531066, 531067. About 0713 Silverado third brake light, black housing smoke lens, super bright full LED lights. Don't have to worry about incandescent light bulbs blowing or fading over time. Installation is easy. After removing the old brake light, please clean the gasket area and lip on light with alcohol. Then attached to the light. Note: please save your 2 screws because they are not included with the new light. Use rubber washer to seal the screw to the light. It will add a more modern look to your truck. Waterproof. This 0713 Sierra third brake light includes 1% foam gasket and is generally waterproof. Please kindly put a little silicone or some clear RTV all across the top to help seal it just in case it leaks into the light or where the wires are. About the rear cargo light lamp. 1. The red lights come on with the brake, and the white lights come on when you turn on the interior dome lights. 2. Please note that the 2 outer white lights are not reverse lights. They are controlled by your interior light switch. We call it cargo lights. 3. The cargo lamp no longer work as courtesy lights when you unlock the doors with the key fob. 4. Cargo turn on, only if you turn on your cargo lights, they don't turn on automatically when door opens. Warranty. We truly offer 1-year warranty for this rear cab roof brake light cargo lamp. If have any questions or issues about our Silverado LED third brake lights, please feel free to us and we will reply in 24 hours. Top reviews from the United States. Great replacement. I bought this to replace the damaged original third brake light. It looks great and is bright.